Good morning, December 28th. Oh, have to go back and check if the padlock is on. Glad I returned. Another one of those unexpected cloudy day. Golly, lucky that I was able to bicycle for 2 days. And now it's, look, don't think you could. Anyway, I'll get the best out of this day. Check this out. In a subdivision. Oh well. And somebody just threw up. Must have had too much. All these cars parked at the side. Are they for our subdivision? Or are they from that hill? So traditionally, they will be removing the Christmas decorations after the Feast of the Tree. January 6th. That's the what feast are we celebrating? I forgot. I think that's the Feast of the Circumcision or something. Forgot the name. Anyway, that's when they start removing the Christmas decorations. For a moment I thought, it's a cat or something. Yeah, good thing it's just a cloth. Yesterday I saw a cat run over along a major road. I mean, how the heck did that cat get into that road? Anyway, man, it was just going through its last moment wriggling spasms. For a change, we'll come back the main road. Gotta get used to this, otherwise you'll forget. Look at all these motorbikes. I saw a pressure washer, and that's why it's important to walk in these places. Jeez. Finally saw one. Oh man. So very, I mean, so festive in these places. Check out these flashing lights. Technology has taken over our lives, and we just have to make the necessary budget to keep up with it. Otherwise you'll be left behind, and everything is just temporary, especially with technology. It will break down. My daughter gave me a Lenovo earpods. I kept it and forgot about it. Then I remembered about it after, oh man, I don't even know how long. So that's the problem with lithium batteries. When you allow it to deteriorate, it can no longer be recovered. so much. Finally, good thing I walked. There's some water drizzles right now. Good looking car. Somebody's parked a good looking car. Oh, I wish I checked these places out 30 years ago. I have nothing to compare it with now. But I don't think I'll bring in my camera here 30 years ago. Yeah, it's drizzling right now. Angel Burger. That's the name of the place. You can only walk so fast, or risk increasing your heart rate, especially if you go up that way. Oh man, it's gonna be a killer. Light is slowly coming. Slowly coming out. Unbelievable names. Bonsel. Zup dup. Board of Committee. Legal Counsel. Board of Committee. Feels like it's getting stronger. Yuck. Oh well. I'll have to open my umbrella soon. Could even be now. I've got my umbrella open now. Do you hear it? It'll be harder for people to spot my camera because I'm holding it at the handle of this umbrella, peering out the window. Did I mention that today is Saturday? Amazing. What could that be? What could that light be? Okay, it's a broken lamppost light. Looking for automotive and motorcycle battery? Don't look any further. Amaron, Outlast, and Motolite. Amazing about these structures is that even in an informal community, Chris Marie Builders and Construction Supply. Okay. You could have these people who prefer to stay here and build magnificent buildings. Crazy. Oh man, look at that. Ah, fire escape. Imported style. That's the vintage style. How cool. How cool could that be? Ah. Yeah. So, still in fashion. The road is now all wet. I'm trying to look for that massage place. Disappeared. Sure, it used to be that building. To the opposite side. I'm just avoiding. I'm avoiding these busy streets. Woohoo! Don't ever think that they will give way. That is just a fantasy. It's just a fantasy. Oh, it's not the real thing. I was just thinking about how confused we are, the Filipinos. So, in our cars, we use meters. Our speed is in kilometers. We buy food in kilos. So metric system. But when we talk about our weight, we mention it or say it in English. Pounds. Well, we're slowly changing. But it takes time. I mean, from the time I was growing up, we've been using metric with the cars. Same thing with the fuel. We buy in metric. We buy in liters, not in ounces. Pounds. That's it. Ounces, liters. That's volume. What's volume in English? Look at all those coconuts. Master Fry. Bagong generasyon, BH party list. For a brief moment, not even a brief, I'm still thinking, what are the volume measurements in English system? What's the equivalent of liter? What they're doing here. Oh, nice car. Yeah. That's a nice car. Expander. Of course. Wow. Yeah. Unending road constructions. And to think that this road looks like it's just been concreted, and now they are redoing it again. Shit. Oh man, the amount of money being wasted on these things. Ah, okay. So they raised the road. man. Golly. They are raising the road. Okay. Looks like I could close my umbrella now, I hope. Close the umbrella. It started drizzling again. Road crossing day. Road crossing day. I think that's why they call it crossing. Because you need to do the sign of the cross. Woo-hoo. When you cross. At the shade, protecting from the rain. Clay pot chicken. Interesting. We have to try that out. What do they mean by clay pot? I'm trying to recall the name of my father's personal assistant, PA, back in the day, and I recall this name is Ising. Now I'm trying to recall the name of the our electrician. Okay, the good thing is we found the place where there's a pressure washer. We only found one. I hope we find one more, a few more. I just saw the big tree. Oh, that's a lot of fruits. Oh. Really? Now they'll be selling fruits for the new year. All around fruits. Round, because they resemble the shape of money. Round. That guy is kissing his snake. He's got an albino python. For a moment I thought he was making sausage. That lady has very unusual eyes, similar to those eyes we saw on that guy in Spain, I think. At the Spanish Steps in Rome. There you go. Protruding eyeballs. Could hardly see the mountains today. Cloudy. teaspoon. Yep, pedal up. Pedal up. That must be steaming inside.